Okay, so I am doing a buoyancy project in my fluid mechanics class, and I have a video already of on the math that I did, but this is how I did the experiment. So I have seawater in here, and how you make seawater is you gotta do a conversion. So for every 140 grams of salt, you have to have 4,000 grams total. So I gotta wait till, oops, that's a little bit over. 140 grams. I'm not perfect, but we're gonna try to be. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now I got to add up to, it gets to the point of 4,000 grams, and then that will be my salt water. Alright, so it's a little bit over, but that is okay for this point because I already have all of this right here that was exactly measured. I'm just showing you how I did this. So you gotta mix the salt water in with the water until it is 100% mixed in and you don't feel any grainies at the bottom anymore, which will take a little while. If you don't do this, you're gonna have salt at the bottom that's not mixed in thoroughly, and your numbers will not add up and your experiment won't work out clear right. So if you see whenever you add this into here, the water still looks clear like regular water, but it's actually salt water. So we have my brick that is down here with my tension and with my bomb right here. Now this bomb is not just a balloon. Ooh, it's gonna make a mess.
Just say it.
So here's my bomb. Now what I used for my bomb was it had to be 1,400 kilograms. Well, 1,400 grams or oops. So you see a bunch of foam in here. So what it actually is I have foam, I have salt, and I have Ziploc bags, and I have trash bags. And I had used foam to fill up my space, because if I just used my salt bags that I have, and I just used that mass right there, what would have happened is the density would have been too dense, and my experiment wouldn't have actually floated. So it's been in the water too long, that's why it took on water. I used duct tape to keep my experiment looking like a pretty bomb, but I have a bunch of foam and salt and all in a plastic bag, and this is what my bomb is made up of.